reuse. Turn and insert the air compression tank in the arrow's direction. Connect the charging adapter and push the air compression control button. Can you hear it? Once the motor sounds, the body's pressure gauge starts going up as well. When you push the air compression control button again, both the motor and the pressure gauge stop. Attach the exclusive converter wherever you need Bombastick. Then, just push the button. Bombastick will even blow away foul smells without a trace. Patented quick expansion and quick blocking. Quick expansion technology blocks sludge from flowing backwards by expanding its surface in contact with the pipe, resulting in tight cover. The quick blocking method blocks sludge from entering the product. A product complementing the drawbacks of existing products, which have a low ejection performance and splattering sludge. Our product embodies superb patented technology. Bombastick. Just 10 seconds, fast charging and use. You can use the included adapter for fast and easy charging and reuse. With the auto air pressure pump, you can pump air pressure into bicycle tires, air mattresses, tubes, and all kinds of balls. Featuring powerful compression. Bombastick.
There are many ways to clean pipes, from liquids or powder products to manual and auto compressors that are all easy to find. The types and methods of cleaning are endless. However, none of them are as comprehensive as Bombastick. An ultra-strong air compression system applied with automated air compression technology. Powerful air pressure plumbing and pipe cleaning thoroughly eliminate germs, stench, and even decomposed sludge inside hard-to-reach drain pipes. You no longer need to pay a hefty call-out fee to plumbers. And you don't need to use highly toxic chemical detergents either. On top of protecting the environment, Bombastick is also extremely cost-effective. And now, launching product provides you with an even greater advanced performance. We've built in a temperature sensor to boost the stability of the compressor and improved user convenience with fast charging times. An incredible and fresh innovation of pipe cleaning. Get Bombastick now.